this is Coach Tel and super excited ako for today dahil this is the first day of the blind audition. Yes. I'm so excited, I'm so nervous, and ano bang nilook forward ko? Well, new talents for the blinds, and of course, new voices ng mga bagong kabataan, and of course, siyempre meron tayong bagong coach. So, tignan natin kung paano niya kukunin yung mga talents, yung mga artists. Tignan natin kung paano siya manuyo. Excited ako para doon. Kaya naman, sama-sama nating abangan at sana sabay-sabay nating panoorin ang first episode, pilot episode ng The Voice Kids. Let's go!
Hello everyone, this is Coach Pablo and this is the first day of the blind auditions of The Voice Kids. Yan, sobrang excited na po kami lahat pumili ng mga batang super talented na napupunta sa team namin, and excited na kami i-share yung lahat ng knowledge namin. And I'm sure with these talented coaches, talagang magagabayan yung mga bata ng tama. Medyo kinakabahan lang ako kasi syempre veterano na sila, kumbaga this is their second season coaching these kids and it's only my first time, so malamang mag-aagawan kami sa mga talented kids, but anyway, we're here to help them and we're excited to share the stage and share the passion that we have. So ayan po, inaanyayahan ko po kayo manood ng The Voice Kids blind auditions. Malapit na po yan.